If you intend to sacrifice an animal on the day of Eid Al-Adha, then it is an act of the sunnah not to cut your nails or trim your hair. عن سلمة رضي الله تعالى عنها قالت قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم من كان له ذبح يذبحه فإذا أهل هلال ذي-الحجة فلا يأخذن من شعره ولا من أظفاره شيئا حتى يضحي رواه مسلم. Our Prophet ﷺ said, when you see the new moon of Dhu'l-Hijjah and one of you intends to sacrifice an animal on the day of Eid Al-Adha, then he or she should stop cutting the hair and the nails. Narrated by Muslim. It is as confirmed sunnah that a Muslim holds off cutting the nails and trimming hair, but it is permissible to do so after sacrificing the animal. It is not forbidden to cut the hair or the nails, but it is recommended to avoid it so that one can achieve additional reward for good deeds.